Hi, I'm Andrew from Cool-Serve. I'd like to introduce the latest Cool-Serve 1300 Ice-Vending machine. This is the latest in our range of vending machines available for purchase. With the Cool-Serve 1300, you will never need to rely on deliveries again. The CS 1300 holds approximately 130 kilos of ice at any one time. This equates to around about 26 5 kilos of bags of ice ready to dispense. Once the machine dispenses 2 or 3 bags of ice, it will kick in and start to replenish itself once again. The recovery rate of this machine is approximately 26 minutes for 13 kilos. The CS 1300 is capable of making 595 kilos of ice in a 24-hour period. The vending machine is a very user-friendly machine with simple steps mapped out on the front of the machine for the user to follow. It also has a digital reader to explain the process as it happens in real time. You have 2 options in both vends. Firstly, with the ice, you have 3.5 kilos and 5 kilos. I'll now demonstrate vending 3.5 kilos of ice. You insert your money into the coin dispenser. The reader tells you paid in full. You select your product, 3.5 kilos. Then grab your bag from the holder. Very simple to pull the bag out. You then place the bag onto the dispenser bracket, like so. Once the bag has been placed on the bracket, you then press fill. A very simple process. The fill button is lit. You then press fill. And the ice is dispensed into the bag. You remove the bag from the bracket, like so. You grab the twist tie off the front of the machine, pull the tie, twist the bag, and there you have it, 3.5 kilos of pure ice. Another useful option for the CS 1300 is a direct vend into the esky. This eradicates the use of the bag and makes it much more environmentally friendly. I'll demonstrate this with a 5 kilo bag. The customer fills his esky with product, places the product under the server, the customer will insert their money, and select the 5 kilo button. Once the 5 kilo button has been selected, the display tells them that they have paid in full and press fill. We hit the fill button. And there we have it, 5 kilos directly into the esky, as you can see. covering all the product. Another great feature on the CS1300 is the water vending option. This machine has been set up to vend 1 litre of water or 15 litres of water. I'll demonstrate a 15 litre dispense of water for you. The customer either provides their own container or can buy them at the point of sale. The container is placed in the service area. Once the customer has placed the container in the service area, the customer will insert their money, select their product, which is 15 litres of water, and once again the display tells them that they have paid and to press the fill button. The customer selects fill. Once the water has finished dispensing, the customer removes the container, places a lid over the top of the container. There we have it, 15 litres of purified water.